Hey there guys, we're looking at accessing our Google Slides from our Chromebook. So we're going to look down on our shelf. This would be your shelf to the lower left of your screen on your Chromebook. And you're going to click on your Google Drive icon. This is just one way to access it. So for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and access it from our Drive icon. Once you click on that icon, you should be in this window here. So in order to access your Google Slides presentation or Google Slides, click on New, and then you'll see Google Slides. First thing that I recommend that you do is give your document a title. So once this loads, you're going to title it. So I'm just going to say this is going to be a test for our demonstration. And let's just say I'm going to actually search for someone. So I'm going to do, and you're probably saying, well, who is Colin Solomon? And then I'm going to just say, actor. All right. I want to insert an image here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I just clicked and dragged an image in here. You see this button here where it says Explore? I want to do something different with the image layout here. So once that populates, I'm going to click right here because I want it to look just like that. So that takes on that shape there. All right, let's go ahead and insert another slide. So I want to add a slide, but I don't want to just have this common slide here. So I'm just going to right click on that and I'm going to delete. I want to change that layout. So I'm going to click on this down arrow here, and I have options. So for this particular, my next slide, I think I want to go with this slide here. So I'm going to click on that. And let's talk about a hobby. And let's say that his hobby is hiking. And so now we're going to go to our toolbar, and we're going to insert an image. But before we do that, because I'm not going to put any text in this box here, I'm just going to click on this text, and whenever it's blue, that means that I'm going to be working in this area. But I'm just going to click my delete key and delete that because I'm going to put an image here, no text. So on my toolbar, I'm going to click on image, and then I'm going to click search, and then I'm just going to type in hiking. Once I search for hiking, I like this. So I'm going to select that, blue check, click select, let it populate. And whenever I'm resizing images manually like this, I like to grab one of the corner anchors. So these little blue, tiny blue squares are anchors. So I'm going to click on the corner anchor because I want to keep it in proportion. When you get this crosshair here, you can actually move it. And those red lines that are popping up, those guidelines, just tells me that this particular image is centered with this here. So if you want, you can go ahead and type in some information there about hiking, like what trail this is and things of that nature. So let's say this is a group project and you guys have finished working on the group project. You want to share it with someone to get a little feedback. I'm going to close this panel here. Click on this blue button here, and I'm going to share this with, let's say, one of my colleagues, Isidore. So I'm going to put Isidore's email address there. I only want Isidore to comment on my document, so I'm going to click Can Comment. And this is just one way of doing it. So I might type here, please, let's see, provide feedback. I need feedback. So click send and Isidore will get that. So when Isidore wants to comment on my document, he will click this comment button here, all right? And so I'm just going to say right here, let's just say, and I'll highlight this area here because that's why I want my comment to fall. So I'll click comments, click on comments, and I may say, you might want to tell me something about the trail. Okay, and then click comment. And so now you are collaborating, you have some feedback. And then you can share different ideas here. Maybe you want to have them change the picture, maybe the layout. You might want some feedback on the layout. So that's pretty much it, guys. So all you have to do is go to your drive. And once you have created that, it'll populate. Go to your drive, click on new, click on slides. Once you have slides, give yourself a title. You have your first document here. You can actually change that by clicking Explore if you want to change that layout. Okay, so you have all those options. And then you can either add an additional slide by going ahead and clicking on plus, or you can use the down arrow and get a plethora of different layouts. All right, and then once you have that and you've finished your project, you can go ahead and just share your document with anyone you like in your group or with another group, and then just make sure you set it for comments only. All right, take care.